I don't know what happened here, but let's see if we can fix it. So the rip is pretty wide and deep, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the Sashiko style of repairing these like areas. So we're going to draw in the pattern and I'm going to stitch each segment via hand, and it took me forever to do again, but here we are, each section unique by itself, even this little mini one. And this is how it looks on, and in my opinion it's got this like unique look now and makes it definitely one of one. What do you think? See ya.